How to get unbanned from Wizz app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get unbanned from Wizz app. Now, getting banned on Wizz app might happen due to a certain number of reasons, but there is a quick way that you can remove it. Now, to do so, the first option is to try switching between your networks. What you can do is you scroll down notification bar and you can try switching between your mobile data and Wi-Fi network. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, you can try switching to mobile data, or if you're on mobile data, you can try switching into Wi-Fi. Now, this might help the issue. However, if this doesn't help, what you can do is you can try and use VPN. Now, if you want to use VPN, you can simply head into Play Store or App Store and search in for VPN, and you want to download the VPN, any VPN that you find easy, and then you can download it, and you can get free VPNs on Play Store as well. So you can download it and you can set up the VPN, and once you do so, if you try opening the app, then you might get unbanned. So these are the ways you can get unbanned on Wizz app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.